Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. I'm Dr. Hina Khan and today we're going to discuss the chlamydial conjunctivitis. So chlamydial infections can basically range from psittacosis, it can range from lymphogranulomatous infections, or even it can be the trachomatis infections. All of these can be the causes towards the conjunctivitis infections. Chlamydia is an interface between bacteria and viruses. It has the intermix properties between the bacteria as well as the viruses. We'll be discussing or we'll be having an overview towards the chlamydial conjunctivitis infections and how it can be one of the leading causes towards the preventable blindness all over the world. Then we'll be discussing the trachomatis infections primarily because that is basically the most notorious infections that is listing down the chlamydial infections. The etiology would be discussed over here. What are the causative factors as well as what are the predisposing or the risk factors that can make the patient prone to the development of such chlamydial conjunctivitis cases. Predisposing factors can range from the race, age, gender of the individual, and even the environmental conditions can predispose the patient towards such infections. Then we'll be discussing the clinical course of the disease, starting off with the primary infiltration of the conjunctiva and then moving on towards the cicatricial phase, which is also the scarring phase of this venereal kind of conjunctivitis. The grading system is basically the clinical classification of the disease. We'd be dealing with the different stages ranging from the stage of infiltration and then moving on to the stage of cicatricial or development of the scarring tissue in the conjunctiva. And then finally, the sequelae of such chlamydial conjunctivitis would be discussed over here. We'd be also discussing the complications, and along with that, we'd be discussing the management of such complications if they occur. How can we deal with such complications? That would be discussed over here. The diagnosis ranging from the listing of the differential diagnosis and then moving on towards a definitive diagnosis based on the lab investigations and the histological findings would be discussed over here. We'd be discussing the differential diagnosis. First of all, how can we list the diseases, and finally make a management or a treatment plan to treat such patients effectively and make a treatment plan which includes a primary, secondary, and tertiary prevention as well. The prophylaxis of such chlamydial conjunctivitis can be discussed over here, and how can we prevent such diseases would be discussed. And finally, we'll be discussing the adult inclusive conjunctivitis, which is a very important variant, basically developing due to the strains D2K of chlamydia trachomatis. That would be discussed over here. So we have a range of lectures of ophthalmopathies that you can just have a look at on our website. Thanks for watching sqadia.com and get access to watch the complete lecture.